Hello from the Bureau with an update on the potential development of a tropical cyclone over far north Queensland. Well, the monsoon trough has finally developed and currently extends from the Cape York Peninsula and into the Coral Sea, and there are several low pressure systems embedded within the trough. Heavy rainfall has already been recorded along parts of the northeast coast over the past week, including 452 millimetres at Cairns and more than 800 millimetres in the Daintree, and there is a moderate flood warning for the Daintree River. There is also a severe weather warning current for heavy rain and damaging winds for areas north of Cairns, and this includes places like Port Douglas and Weipa. And there is also an accompanying flood watch for coastal and adjacent inland parts of the peninsula, so do keep note of these if you are in the area. Over the coming days, we'll be keeping a close eye on this low pressure system, which is currently sitting near the coast. It's expected to drift west and reach the warm waters of the Gulf of Carpentaria by Monday morning, and conditions are generally favourable for the system to intensify. At this stage, there is a moderate chance of it developing into a tropical cyclone on Monday or Tuesday, and if it does, it will be named Tropical Cyclone Penny. However, as this animation shows, there is still a range of possibilities in the computer models as to how the tropical low or cyclone could move and develop. Some scenarios keep the system further offshore in the Coral Sea, while some maintain it a little bit closer towards the coast. Currently, there is no tropical cyclone advice, but regardless of whether it does intensify, residents of far north Queensland can still expect heavy rainfall and severe winds, and here at the Bureau, we'll be monitoring the situation 24/7. So remember to stay up to date with forecasts and any warnings from the Bureau, and to always follow the advice of your local emergency services.